Bro, stop hitting me. I think it's Brian behind me, that's why. Anyways, we're back. Challenge night. Hopefully my mic works. Please, God, let me not have any more sound issues. Greatly appreciate that. No, Brian. Okay. Don't, Brian. Don't, no. Okay, alright, so, a lot on the line tonight, alright, so, there's a lot of people here tonight, so I really have to concentrate at the moment. If I get to some Japan stories, if I have some breathing room, I will do my best to get to them, because I have some fun stuff to talk about that happened during then, but it's really going to depend on how much breathing room we get in these races. So because Thanksgiving is coming up, we have some prizes on the line. We have a turkey and 2 pies. Don't cut my nose off, bud. So, I think there's 2 pies. There's at least 1 pie on the line. I know there's a turkey and 1 pie on the line. At least. Oh. No. Okay, thanks. I kind of messed that one up when I was talking about the dang prizes. So, I think at least 2 people are going to walk away with food, which is awesome. Oh, I messed that up. Oh, boy. Yeah, I know. I think you're faster than me in that corner. My tires are a little cooked. It also does not feel like it has a lot of top speed, and I am sliding through those corners, which is not ideal. We do not want that to happen. If I can find a way to at least get some gap there, I'll be happy about that. So as usual, we got 2 qualifying races and then a feature race, and the results of each will determine your starting position in the feature race. So it is imperative that you do well, because qualifying is very important. Okay, good. I think we're getting a little bit of a gap, as long as we don't mess up. He is very close behind me. So no backup cam today. My friend who has the cam, he's at the Cavs game. Lucky him. He gets to go watch the Cleveland Cavaliers play some basketball, who are doing excellent right now. Okay, I think we're basically lapping at about the same amount here. I need to make sure he is not on my bumper there, or else he is for sure going to try to move me. So I'm trying to take it a little faster and deeper than normal, so that he can't get on my bumper there. Okay, I think we've carved out enough space that I think we're okay. Yeah, okay, fantastic, let's go! Started 5th, getting 1st. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, boys, let's go! Alright, we're back for qualifying race 2. Finished 1st in the other one, miraculously. So if we can finish 1st or have a high finish here, we'll be in good shape for the feature race. So let's hope for the best. Let's go! Come on, bud, let's go! Let's go! I'm trying to give you space, Dave. I'm sorry. Okay, we made it. We made it. Oh, that was a great start. That was a great start for me. Wow, we navigated that very well. So as long as our tires are good, we'll see how the top speed of these karts are. Oh no, Dave is backwards. Oh, that was really bad. That was really slow. Holy moly. So yeah, like my position right now, so that's good. We'll see if we can catch Brian. Oh, that was really bad. Holy moly. I think we might be catching him slightly, even with my mistakes. Oh, this kart, I need to understand how it reacts in that hairpin, because it is not reacting like the other ones. I think because these back tires are a little cooked. Hello, Brian. Ugh. Yep, right on my butt. I understand. Oh boy. Yeah, it's not getting grip there, unfortunately. But I think we are still pulling away, so that's great. Oh yeah, I'm losing so much. Oh man. There's I have no grip there for whatever reason. We got to take a little slower, I guess. Okay, we're settling in there a little bit. That feels good. It's really wide, but at least I'm not sliding, you know? It's not my ideal position to be. But I am not gonna complain. Because we are still, oh boy, even with that mistake. even with my mistakes, I am still I think I'm still pulling away. I might be braking a little too hard there. Maybe I'm... Okay. Yeah, alright. I am doing that turn really well, though. I don't know how anyone else is doing it, but I feel really strong in that turn. I feel like my trail braking and like gas pressure there are excellent at the moment. Let's go! 2 firsts. That should be good enough for pole, huh? And then we just gotta hope we get a good kart. Oh, thank you! Alright, we are back for the feature. Qualified pole, thankfully, but there is so much talent behind me. I don't know how this kart is going to react. Literally anything can still happen. So, here we go. I need to get, like, some space here, hopefully. I need those guys to battle back there. There's so much talent behind me. So, we'll see how this goes. Oh my god, it's so far away. Holy moly. I got someone right on my butt. So we're gonna need to get some space somewhere. Yeah, you're not going to get that inside that easily. I can't drive defensive this entire time, though. I'm not going to lie. It's really hard to tell with the headlights behind me where people actually are, I'll tell you that. I'm trying to do what I did in the other race, where I'm going a little deeper into that corner in hopes that he can't get on my butt coming out of it. But they are right on my butt. That is for sure. I'm gonna need them to do a little battling back there. If you could like start defensive driving back there, I'd be really appreciative of that. Just saw somebody giving some signals on the side there. Definitely got some coaching going on back there. Man, someone is right on my butt. I'm trying some different stuff there to see what'll work. I cannot shake whomever that is. What does that mean? What is... what do those flags mean? I don't know what those flags are supposed to mean. I'm sorry, Lee. I don't know what that means. It's a tough one. This is a tough one. If I walk out of here with any food, honestly, I'm gonna be pretty happy. I don't necessarily need this dang turkey, to be honest. I have 2 turkeys in my fridge, and I don't even have enough space in my fridge if I won the stupid turkey. Yep, good move. Good move, good move. Oh, he's got cart 19. That's the good one. Whew. Good battle, good battle. Good battle, bud. Whoever comes out on top, this is a good race regardless. I heard a sigh back there. I heard a sigh back there. Let's go. Give me that turkey. Give it to me.